Okay, so the first question, the one we have for today is: a shopkeeper earns a profit of rupees 2 by selling one marker pen and incurs a loss of rupees 1 per eraser. In the month of January, he incurs a loss of rupees 5. So in that month, he sold 40 marker pens. So how many erasers did he sell in the month of January? So for answering this question, first of all, we have to frame it in this way. Like he makes a loss of rupees 5 in total, right? And he makes a profit of rupees 2 by selling one marker pen, and he makes a loss of rupees 1 by selling one eraser. So in that month of January, he has sold 40 marker pens, right? So what is the profit he made by selling those 40 marker pens? That is equals to 40 into 2, rupees 80. So this much profit he had made in that particular month. But in a total, he made a loss of rupees 5. So how much loss he has made in that particular month? Rupees 80 plus rupees 5, that means rupees 85 loss. So when is making a profit of rupees 80 and loss of rupees 85, that means in a total he is making a loss of rupees 5, right? Now for making a loss of rupees 85, how many erasers he has to sell? He has to sell one eraser for making a loss of rupees 1. So for making a loss of rupees 85, he has to sell 85 erasers. Okay. Now the next question is, in the next month, in the next month, he earns neither a profit nor a loss. So if he sold 65 marker pens, how many erasers did he sell? So this is our next question, right? Yeah. So when he has sold 65 marker pens, that means he made a profit of 65 into 2, that is rupees 130. This is the profit. So as because in the next month there is neither a profit nor a loss, that means he has to make a loss of rupees 130, and he incurs a loss of rupees 1 by selling one eraser. So how many erasers he has to sell to make a loss of rupees 130? So rupees 130 by rupees 1, so that would be 130 erasers he has to sell. So this is the answer for part B. Now the next question. Question number 9. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 7 meter per minute. If the descent start from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach the shaft 340 meter below the ground level? So the question is like that. The elevator starts 10 meter above, from 10 meter above the ground level, and it has to reach 340 meter below the ground level. That means how much distance it has to cover? 10 meter plus 340 meter, that means 350 meters. It has to cover 350 meters. Now for covering 1 meter, 7 meters, it takes 1 minute time, right? So for covering 350 meters, it will take 350 by 7, that is equals to 50 minutes of time, right? This was easy one. Now next question, question number 10. A submarine starts moving down in water at the rate of 6 meter per minute. So after some time it reaches a depth of 60 meter. So how will the distance be represented, and how much time will the submarine take to reach the level? Okay. So how will represent the distance? See, when something is moving above the ground level, we represent it as positive distance, and when something is moving below the ground level, that means in some depth, we represent it by negative, right? So here the distance is minus 60. Now the submarine is moving at a rate of 6 meter per minute. Total distance is 60 minutes. So how much time it will take? 60 minutes by 6, that means 10 minutes. So it will take 10 minutes to reach that particular distance.